morning, guys. I got up about an hour ago and I had my coffee, and now I am preheating my oven because I'm about to make sourdough. I know. I haven't made sourdough in almost a year. I want to say it's been it's been a year now, I think. Almost. Like a month or two shy of a year. And I just got a starter last week. I think it was Saturday this last week, and it is now Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. And my starter is extremely active, so we are going to bake sourdough. I made 2 gigantic loaves of sourdough last night, and I let it cold ferment overnight, so it's been about 8 hours. Typically you would want to do it longer than that. That'll develop more flavor, but I just don't have time for that today because I have a lot going on. So I'm going to bake it this morning. Yeah, who doesn't like fresh baked bread in the morning? Almost as good as coffee smell. Actually, I would argue it's better. I think baked bread smells even better than coffee, and I think coffee smells amazing. My loaves are done right before I leave to take the kiddos to school. Just look at these beauties. Oh my goodness. You so pretty. My house smells amazing. I should bake bread every morning, honestly. It's actually getting pretty late. In the morning, it's 11:07 right now, and I still haven't had breakfast or worked out. I was busy. So I went to the store and got some, I basically stocked up on my frozen vegetables. I always buy them in bulk if I can at Gordon's. And I just got home and I'm cutting into the sourdough. It looks good. Nice and fluffy inside. I'm going to use my deli slicer to slice this because I'm going to have some of this with my breakfast this morning. I'm so excited. Guys, and it is breakfast time. I've already taken my vitamins. I took my Deva Multi, my Deva Vitamin D, and my Deva Probiotic. This is my homemade sourdough. I'm so excited. I normally don't have 2 big slices like this, but I just had to. It's my own homemade sourdough. And then I have some beans on here. So these are actually butter beans that I mixed with a leftover preserved lemon hummus a while ago. I took it out of the freezer and heated it up in a pan, and I added some dill to it, and then I topped it with some bean sprouts. I'm gonna be eating this and drinking some water. Guys, I am sitting here waiting for my son to get out of school, and it's time for lunch. I'm having some of my minestrone soup. This is so nice and warm in my hand because it is a chilly morning. I also brought my sweet treat snack, which is the chocolate chip chickpea cookie dough bites. I brought one of them, so that's what I'm eating for lunch. I'll show you guys a couple of things that I bought. So I have a pair of these ramen bowls, and it comes with like chopsticks and the spoon. They're very nice, from Ozeri. I think that's how you pronounce it, but these are completely biodegradable. They're made from plant material. They're really, really cool. I bought a set 13 years ago, and it's lasted me 13 years, and now the bowls have finally cracked. So I had to order some new ones because these are like my favorite bowls for soup. And I ordered this. So if you guys know anything about me, I do like chop up onions, potatoes, celery, and carrots and freeze them for like convenience, you know, for whenever I need chopped onion or whatever. It's really nice for soup specifically, but I got these so that I can mince up ginger, garlic, and I can put tomato paste in here and freeze 2 tablespoon portions of those things, which I think is awesome. Maybe even herbs if I'm feeling it, but specifically ginger, garlic, and tomato paste. So I got a delivery. So this is something that I've been wanting to try. So I've tried Javi before. It's like a coffee concentrate. I usually get it like once a year. In the summertime, spring, summer, when I just don't want hot coffee and I cannot be bothered to like make my own cold brew or anything like that. So I get these coffee concentrates. So I got several flavors here: caramel, French vanilla, creme brulee, or caramel brulee, salted caramel, mocha, and the brownie batter, which I think the brownie batter was free. I can't remember. But I also got 2 other brands of coffee concentrate, and I'm kind of going to do like a taste test of them. So this one is Pop and Bottle. So basically my goal was to get a vanilla, a mocha, a caramel of each brand. This is the mocha. Oh my goodness. This is the caramel. And this is the vanilla. But they gave me a free bottle of this, which is Wicked Espresso. So that's cute. And then we have Jot here. So we got the mocha, the caramel, and over here is the vanilla. So like these ones are not, these are very like simple, minimalistic. These ones, I do like the colors. Like I like the pinks and all that, but it's like muted but not too muted. But I think the Javi like coffee, the way it looks, like the bottles are just, their presentation is just the one that appeals to me the most. So that's probably why I've tried them. But I'm going to try all of these different things. I'm going to try, you know, the straight up caramel and the vanilla and the mocha. But I did get these other caramel ones just in case I preferred that to this caramel. But they have limited options. Like each, like this one has the most options of flavors ever. And the Jot has, I think the Jot has like the least, or Pop and Bottle has the least. I don't know. I'm going to do like a taste test and like review of all of these, and then I'll let you guys know all the specifics. So now I'm heating up my dinner, which is the chicken gnocchi soup that is super freaking delicious, by the way. I didn't make this with health in mind, obviously, because it's a very rich, decadent soup. But what I would say, if I was to make this again, is I would like to add maybe some cauliflower in, like either cook the cauliflower and blend it with the other ingredients to make the soup base. Or just add cauliflower straight into it, but that would just be like my cauliflower gnocchi soup, really, but plus chicken. But I think the flavor in this soup is it's a really, really nice flavor. I really enjoy it a bit. So I'm warming that up, and I'm toasting some of my homemade sourdough, and I've got a kombucha because I've been craving a glass of wine today, and I have decided I wasn't going to drink anymore this year, except for like special occasions. So whenever I'm craving that, I get a booch instead. So it's cheaper, number one, because wine is expensive, especially with how much I drink, and it's better for you. So it's a win-win, and I do like the taste of it. Sometimes you just need a fancy drink. I'm a girl who likes a fancy drink, okay? It is, guys. Look at that homemade sourdough with a slathering of Miyoko's butter. I put a lot more than I normally do on it because it just looks so good. And some of my chicken gnocchi soup. And I will have dessert after this. I'll show you what that's going to be. Dessert, I'm having 2 of my Dubai dates. They are super addicting. Seriously, you guys have to try them. I do have a recipe video up on the channel for them.